are designated for this sale. And when they're gone, they're gone. Van Terry Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram on 95th Street in Oak Lawn. Plus tax, title, license, and dock fee.
There's nothing like meeting face-to-face. And there's nothing like Zoom to make that happen. Zoom lets you connect and do business across town or around the world. Zoom ties together all of your communication needs into one easy platform. For video conferencing, phone calls, group chat, webinars, and your conference room. Connect easily from anywhere. Your mobile phone, your laptop, or conference room. Zoom is how business gets done. Get your free account at Zoom.com today. With Zoom,
You make a million tough business decisions every day. So here's the easiest one of the year. Dell's Black Friday in July is back and bigger than ever. Get no-brainer deals on the very latest computers with Intel Core processors and a huge selection of servers, electronics, and more. All with free shipping on everything. To make your decision even easier, Dell's Small Business Technology Advisors can help you find just the right tech. Call 877-BUY-DELL. That's an easy call to make at 877-BUY-DELL or visit Dell.com/smallbusiness.
WBVM News Time, 8:15. Now a look at the AccuWeather 5-day forecast with our meteorologist, Joe Lundberg.
Good morning, Felicia. So far, so good. We're seeing sunshine. Temperatures already 80 degrees at this hour of the day. We're headed towards 90 this afternoon, but at some point this afternoon and into early tonight, there's going to be some thunderstorms, and there could be severe weather with damaging wind gusts and flooding downpours. We'll quiet down late tonight with a low of 73. Tomorrow, Thursday, not much different. Clouds and sun, warm and humid. Shower and thunderstorm in the area each day, mainly during the afternoon hours. About 84 tomorrow, 87 Thursday. Friday, a lot more clouds and sun with a couple of showers and thunderstorms, high 84. Still a shower or thunderstorm Saturday, high 81. We should dry out Sunday. Winds are west-southwest at 18, humidity 71%. Barometer steady, 29.91 inches. 79 in Romeoville, 80 at the lakefront, 81 at O'Hare at Midway. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Joe Lundberg on Chicago's weather station, Radio 780 and 105.9 FM.
Latest traffic in 2 minutes. WBBM News Time, 8:16. Our new time for sports. We're searching for a low fixed rate home loan. Search DuPage Credit Union. And sports now, Josh Lewis.
Howdy, it was like batting practice for the Pirates. There may have been some drop kicks involved too. Clobbering Cubs rookie pitcher Adbert Alzolay for 7 runs, humiliating the visiting Cubs 18-5.
The only part that was curious is that they were on everything. I was like, is he tipping pitches? That's my first thought. Is there something there that we can fix that takes away the advantage that the other team may have?
Joe Madden goes to second baseman Daniel Descalso in the 7th inning of the blowout. He gives them a home run. Craig Kimbrell needs to get some work in. The Cubs closer coughs up an 8th inning home run. Josh Bell deposits 3 balls in the stand, 3 long balls. He'll be in the All-Star Home Run Derby contest next week. Last night claimed 7 RBIs, 2 more than the Cubs had total. 18-5 Pirates. What a wipeout loss. The Cubs just 16-24 on the road. Something like it also ran that they were just in first place until the end of last night's game. Now they're a game back at the Brewers. Christian Yelich catapulting his league-leading 30th home run. Helps Milwaukee win at Cincinnati 8-6. The Brewers are back in Cincinnati tonight. Kyle Hendricks off the injured list due to start for the Cubs at Pittsburgh. 45-40. Back to the Brewers. Halfway into the season, the White Sox finally get a taste of the Tigers. Their division rivals are in town to start a 4-game series tonight. Robin Lehner joins the Blackhawks. He's a goalie who put up a 25-win season with the Islanders last year before he had a new deal to join the roster next to Corey Crawford and backup Colin Daly. Lehner, former Ryan Carpenter on a 3-year deal before Black Sox moved to Vegas and San Jose. Lehner and Carpenter to the Hawks. No announcement yet from Kawhi Leonard in NBA free agency. Klay Thompson gets a max 5-year, $190 million deal to stay with Golden State. Kobe White signs a Bulls rookie contract. While insider is mixed regarding their sign and trade deal with Washington. The winner of the U.S. England match in the Women's World Cup advances to Sunday's final against the Sweden Netherlands winner. The U.S. and England meet at 2 o'clock today. Sloane Stephens wins the straight sets. Round 1 at Wimbledon. Serena Williams tries later. So does Rafael Nadal. Roger Federer. 15-year-old Coco Gauff plays again tomorrow after upsetting 39-year-old Venus Williams. Now with sports at 16-46 past each hour. Josh Lynn, News Radio 780, 105.9 FM.
WBVM News Time, traffic and weather together on the 8th. Sponsored by APCO Transmissions and Total Car Care. Here's Bill Duran.
Problems in northwest Indiana as you make your way through Gary on 8094 eastbound. You are jammed actually from the state line all the way to Burr, all because of an earlier truck fire. The 2 right lanes are blocked. The fire has been put out, but crews are still on scene, blocking the 2 right lanes, doing some cleanup. We'll be there for a bit here, so expect delay from the eastbound side of 8094. On the westbound side, your Gapers light starts at I-65. Pictures of the whole situation are on Twitter at WBBM. PM 780 traffic. Metro UP Northwest line trains in and outbound remain stopped near Cary because of a pedestrian struck by 603. Trains are only running between Barrington and Chicago right now, so points west of Barrington need to make alternate arrangements, but trains are running from Barrington into downtown, but expect extensive delays. Eden's inbound 19 from Lake Cook, 27 out. Kennedy inbound 36 minutes from O'Hare, 26 in from the junction. The local lanes, it's a 21-minute drive.